Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again, opening up another present. Well, this time I have something to my camera gear, which is my phone. And I've been thinking, why would I get a camera for now? Since I'm a student and just started my YouTube, why would I buy very expensive cameras and gimbals? I will just use what I have, which is my phone. I got DJI Mobile4 gimbal, and let's open up, unbox it. Here we go. Okay, what we got here? Here's the thing. When I was buying this product, they asked me if I want them to pack it like a present, and if yes, what I want them to write on it. I totally forgot about this present message, but back in that time I took this opportunity and wrote something to myself to cheer me up, and it worked. Okay, I thought it's gonna be very presentable, you know, something very so fancy, but look, they just wrote by hand on a pen. It says, "Now it's your time to shine," which is, yeah, I'm loving myself here. Give me a little credit, please. So, let's open it. I cut myself with the paper. Oh,
hello darkness, my old friend.
DJI Osmo 4. I have used DJI Osmo 3. It was very difficult to stabilize or control the stabilization. I don't know, it was really hard for me, but I never used Osmo 4. So I'm gonna give it a try, and I've searched before and I've tried. I have searched before and how to open it. I don't know. Okay. Create magnetic moments. Thank you. Because it's magnetic. Okay. That's smart. They're making puns out there. Wow, look at this. Here's one magnet for DJI. Awesome. Alright, I love that one. Little bag. I'm gonna take this baby. Very beautiful. And all right, this is magnetic. All right, so you can put your phone like this. It's all set. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna start my adventure. Keep it up, guys. Take care. Bye. Would you like to see a tour of my studio? Yeah, I think you would, because check this out. What do you say? I was putting this phone here and I was recording like this. It is a mess, actually. If you'll choose the right angle and cut your frame perfectly, it's clean as hell. So, I'll see you in the other video, guys. Take care.